Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Cash App to PayPal. First, open Cash App and tap the Cash Out button. You can use the slider or manually enter the amount you want to cash out, like $25. Then tap Cash Out again. You'll see two options: instant, small fee but immediate; standard, free but takes 1 to 3 business days. Once confirmed, the money will be sent to your linked bank account. Now, open your PayPal app, tap on your PayPal balance at the top. Then tap Add Money from Bank or Card. Enter the same amount, $25, or whatever you just sent from Cash App. Choose one of the two: link debit card, instant, no fee; bank account, 3 to 5 days. Tap Add $25 and you're done. Wait a few seconds and refresh your PayPal balance. Once it updates, you'll see the money has arrived. Now you can use your funds to shop, send money, or transfer it back to your bank. And that's it. That's how to transfer money from Cash App to PayPal. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.